Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Jocelyn, 30 years old, living in San Jose Occidental, Mindoro, Philippines, single. I graduated from the Bachelor of Science course in Hotel and Restaurant Management at Occidental Mindoro State College. Fourth of 7 siblings. I have worked experience as a helper here in Philippines for 2 years, year 2015 until 2017. I do the household chores and taking care of children age 5 and 8. It's my first time to go working abroad. If you choose me as your helper, I am a hardworking, patient, trustworthy, and dependable in everything. I promise to finish my contract. I will follow all your instructions, especially on my duties and responsibilities. Thank you.